Employee life cycle is the different stages an employee goes through in an organization, from recruitment till retirement or termination. Every stage may have its own challenges. However, the HR manager strives to improvise and enable a smooth process to bring out the best in the employees. In general, an employee life cycle can be divided into 5 major stages. Recruitment. Recruitment in a life cycle begins before an employee joins the company and is, in fact, the first step of the employee cycle. A recruiting team finds the right talent, conducts an interview, and then offers a joining letter. Onboarding. Followed by recruitment, employees are assisted in understanding and getting along with the company values and culture. They are made aware of the duties and policies. Career development. Nowadays, every individual seeks new opportunities and skill development around themselves. Therefore, companies should give platforms by offering training to employees to fulfill their ambitions because it will eventually improve their motivations and efforts towards their roles. Recognition. Recognizing employees' talent and skills helps a company boost its productivity. Salary increment, incentives, paid leaves, training, etc. are a few strategies that help increase employee morale, loyalty, and thus act as an approach to retain them for a longer time. This stage in an employee life cycle is directly linked to the growth of the company and its employees. Offboarding. The concluding stage of an employee's life cycle is when they retire or resign. Again, there may be different reasons for this, but HR should ensure a smooth offboarding process. An employee life cycle depicts the entire journey of an employee from hire to retire. It is divided into more than one stage where each one is connected to the other. Tracking and analyzing the complete life cycle helps HR and managers identify talent management and areas of improvement. Organizations can monitor the entire life cycle effectively using various talent management platforms or HR technology. These tools have reporting and analytics features to help monitor engagement levels, identify talent-related issues, and make improvements. Employee lifecycle processes can be improved using the following ways. Implement transparency. Use technology. Track the progress regularly. Assigning tasks. Use information effectively and securely. Organize stages according to requirements.